Hello and welcome to Covid series of videos that will cover all of the new features of the PanelSpec 2 software. In this video I will be covering how to register for a PanelSpec 2.0 software account, as well as just the general organization of the program. To get started, we are going to need to get to the PanelSpec 2.0 web address. If you don't have the link already, you can simply go to www.covid.com. From there, click on the PanelSpec tab, and then just click the Access Covid PanelSpec 2.0 software link. You'll be greeted with this splash page that comes up. You can simply just click on it to proceed. Now, if you've already created an account and registered an email using the old PanelSpec software, you can use those credentials to log into the new PanelSpec 2.0. If you do not have an account, you're going to need to click this register button. Then just enter all the required fields and remember to verify your email address by clicking the link in the automated message that PanelSpec 2.0 sends to that email address. I should also note that you can only have one account registered to an email at a time. So if you need to check if you have already registered an account, or maybe if you need to reset your password for an account, you can simply enter your email address and then hit the reset password button. Once you hit the reset password button, PanelSpec will send you an automated email to that address. This can verify if you have already registered an email address, as well as let you reset your password. Without any further ado, I am going to sign in then. The first page we see here is the Projects tab. This kind of outlines all of the projects that you have created and lets you manage them. Now, what a project is, it is a collection of drawings that can be quoted and then later turned into an order. So if you go to the Quotes tab, you can get a list of all the quotes for the projects you have so far. Currently I have none, so you can see it'll say none found. From the quotes you created, you can then turn those into orders. And if you go to the Orders tab, that is where you can manage all of the orders that you have submitted to Covid to go into production. So how do all of these different sections of the program relate together? Well, it can be explained with this little diagram I put together. Here we have our three PanelSpec tabs. We have Project, Quote, and Order. You first start off by creating a project, and you can name it whatever you like. And inside of that project, you create your drawings. You can have as many drawings as you would like, but in this case, I just have 3. Once I finish putting together the project and all the associated drawings, I turn that into a quote. That is when I get a QT number generated. After I have reviewed my quote and am satisfied with what I see, I can then turn that into an order which gets sent to Covid. The order will give you a PMT number as well as send you an email verification confirming that your order was submitted. And that's it. In this video we covered how to register for an account as well as went over a little bit of the organization of the PanelSpec 2.0 software. In the next video we'll get started with creating some drawings and get into some of the new features of the PanelSpec 2.0 software. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.